Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in Expensify. We'll be using the new Expensify interface on desktop. Deleting an expense removes it from your account, so take a moment to make sure you're targeting the right one. Also, keep in mind that if an expense is submitted, approved, reimbursed, or restricted by a company policy, you won't be able to delete it until it's back in an editable state. Typically by withdrawing the report or asking an admin to unlock it. Let's get started. Open New Expensify in your browser. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Find the section labeled Reports and click it to open your Reports workspace. From there, switch to the Expenses view so you can see a list of your individual expenses rather than entire reports. This is the easiest way to scan and manage single-line items. Now locate the expense you want to remove. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters such as date, amount, category, or tag to narrow things down. When you see the expense you want to delete, click it to open the full details page. This page shows everything tied to that expense, including the merchant, amount, category, any receipt image, and its report status. In the top right corner of the expense details, look for the More menu. It may appear as a button or a three-dot menu depending on your screen size. Click More to open the action options, then choose Delete. Expensify will prompt you to confirm so you don't remove the wrong item by mistake. In the confirmation dialog, click Delete again to finalize. Once confirmed, the expense is removed. If you're still viewing the list, you should see it disappear right away. If it doesn't, give the page a quick refresh and it should be gone. A few quick tips if you run into issues. If the delete option is grayed out or missing, check whether the expense is on a submitted or closed report. Return it to an open state first. If it's matched to a corporate card transaction, you may need to unmatch it before deleting. And if your company applies policy rules, your admin may need to adjust permissions. If your goal is simply to fix a mistake rather than remove the record entirely, consider editing the expense instead. You can update details like the category, date, amount, or note right on the expense page. That's it. Open New Expensify, go to Reports, switch to Expenses, open the item, tap More, choose Delete, and confirm. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.